Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to edit and customize header in Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First off, open up your Shopify dashboard. Now once we are right here, we will have to head over to the online store settings on the left, and we will then have to open up the theme customization settings. So once right here, you can see that right away we do have our header right here. First of all, if you would want to change the logo, you would have to do that under the theme settings right here. Here you can then actually change the logo. You can also change all sorts of other stuff, like the colors, typography, and so on. Now as for the other stuff inside the header, you can just select the header right here, and you can then basically customize this. If you would want to actually change the menu type, then you can do that right here. Now, under the color scheme, we can then actually change the color scheme of this header. In my case, I guess I'm going to leave it at the default scheme 1, but you can really customize this with your own likings. You can also change the theme settings of header by going to this section right over here. However, as you can see by now, the editing and customization options on Shopify are pretty limited. Hence, why I would actually recommend you to use a page builder like Instant if you really want to take your store to the next level. With Instant, you're going to get great templates for all sorts of different navigation items. This would be one, for example. You can of course also build up your own header from scratch, which you obviously can't do on the normal Shopify dashboard. But as you can see then, for example, also insert a basically transparent header, which also is really nice. We can then actually also add kind of a minimalistic header right here. And with Instant, you're essentially going to have tons of different templates, a super easy to understand and easy to use editor. You can really bring your Shopify store to the next level with Instant. And that's it. So that's basically how you can edit and customize header in Shopify. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.